Tired of staring at a blank Google Slides presentation, dreading the hours of design ahead? Well, get ready to meet your new best friend Slideai. We're diving into how you can use this awesome add-in to generate entire presentations from just text or an outline, saving you tons of time and effort. First, head to the Google Workspace Marketplace. Once you're in a Google Slides presentation, click on Extensions at the top of the screen. This opens a drop-down menu. Find Add-ins and then click on Get Add-ins. This will take you to the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the search bar, type Slideai. You should see it pop up as one of the first results. Click on the Slideai add-in now. Click on the Install button. You'll need to grant Slideai certain permissions to access your Google Slides, so click Allow when prompted. This ensures the add-in can create and modify your presentations. After installation, go back to Extensions in your Google Slides. You should now see Slideai listed there. Hover over it, and you'll see options like Generate Slides. Click on Generate Slides. A sidebar will appear on the right side of your screen. This is where the magic happens. In the text box, paste the text or outline you want to turn into a presentation. Slideai works best with clear, concise information. Once your text is in place, click on the Create Slides button. Slideai will now analyze your text and automatically generate a set of slides based on the content. It chooses layouts, adds images, and formats the text, all in seconds. Voila! You now have a complete presentation, ready for you to review, customize, and present. Remember to proofread and tweak the slides to match your specific needs, but the bulk of the work is already done. Enjoy your time-saving presentations.